Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christine Natalia, and I'm from Atmajaya Catholic University of Indonesia, Industrial Engineering Department. In this event, the 12th International Seminar on Industrial Engineering and Management, as a representative of our research team that consists of Mrs. Chandra Sari, Ms. Herli, and Mr. Trivanes and myself, I would like to present our research paper with title Integrated ISM-INP Method for Supplier Selection Criteria Analysis, a case study of construction company. Supplier is one of the most important part in supply chain. Supplier ensures the availability of material for company continuity. Supplier selection has an essential part in business because the performance and efficiency of the supplier directly affect the success of the company. Based on study literature that has been done, it can be seen that there is a change in supply selection criteria trend. Kurniawati et al. In 2013 said that to get a maximum supply chain performance, supply selection must consider criteria that are relevant to company's goals. Every company uses different supply selection criteria. The construction project supply chain is different from the conventional supply chain. A large number of parties involved in the construction project supply chain makes the project unique. The nature of the construction project cause it has triple constraint, that is cost, quality, and construction time. Thus, optimization of time and resources must be done. One of the stages in the construction project is selecting supplier. The supply selection process can be done much more effective and efficient when focusing on key criteria. Key criteria is criteria that have high driving power that can affect many criteria in the model. Currently, the company selects suppliers based on intuition of decision makers, based on relationship with the company. Supplier selection criteria from previous studies, including the one conducted in a construction company, are still determined with a literature study with the approval from the company, and key criteria identification for supply selection has not been done. Therefore, in this study, uses an integrated ISM and INP methods to get the best supplier focusing on key criteria. ISM is used to identify key criteria that are used for supply selection with INP, which also consider the relationship between criteria. The study is conducted in the construction company in Jakarta, and the result of the study will help the construction company to conduct a more effective and efficient supply selection with key criteria. Research methodology in this study is divided into two sections: the ISM method to get the key criteria for supply selection, and the INP method to weight the criteria and supplier. The ISM method consists of 6 steps: initial criteria, structural self-interaction matrix, SSEM, traceability matrix, level partition and conical matrix, ISM model, and MICMAC analysis. INP method consists of 4 steps: key criteria grouping, INP modeling, pairwise comparison, and INP data processing. The criteria used in this study are 38 supply selection criteria collected from several studies, as you can see in this table. We have 38, and as a result, initial criteria are obtained 21 criteria. Next, SSEM or Structural Self-Interaction Matrix consists of supply selection criteria that have been selected. As you can see, 21. And in this SSEM matrix, we develop interconnection between criteria determined by expert opinion. We use symbols V, A, X, and O. Reachability matrix, as you can see in table 3, is developed from SSEM by changing the VAXO notation into binary with these following rules. This is the rules. Then the transitivity of the indirect relationship in the matrix are checked. Follow this rule. This is the rule. The cell that are undergoes transitivity is highlighted with yellow color. Then, the level partition and canonical matrix and model, as you can see in this table, the reachability matrix is divided into several levels. This is the level. As a result, the reachability set is a set of criteria it can affect. Reachability set, this one. On the contrary, the antecedent set, this one, is a set of criteria that can affect the criteria. The intersection is the criteria listed in both reachability and antecedent set. Next, a conical matrix is made by sorting the reachability matrix by level the partition to help the making of the ISM model. The structural model or diagram is made from level partitioning and the relationship between criteria in the reachability matrix. Finally, the diagram is transferred into ISM model by changing the element node with criteria. This is the result for the model ISM. Next, Mi'kmaq analysis. The value of driving power and dependence that are obtained from the reachability matrix after transitivity in table first. These values are inputted to driving power dependence diagram for Mi'kmaq analysis. The chart is divided into 4 categories after driving lines at half of the maximum value for driving power and dependence. The 4 categories: autonomous factor, linked factor, dependent factor, independent factors. This is the result based on Mi'kmaq analysis that has opened. Availability criteria, criteria number 21, becomes the most important criteria because it has high driving power but low dependence power. The key criteria from ASM method as an output from ASM method is grouped in this tab as an input for ANP method. So we are going to the ANP method. The grouping is based on the similarity of key criteria. The key criteria is 19 from ASM are grouped into 4 clusters: relationship, performance, service, and product. Next, the processing for the ANP method is done with the super decision process software. The result from the software, global and local weight is criteria, is shown in table 5. This is, as you can see, between these 4 clusters, product is the cluster that has the highest weight, and availability is the criteria with the highest global weight. This is the ANP result. As we can see, supplier 1 has the highest weight, followed by supplier 3, supplier 2, supplier 4, and supplier 5. Supplier 1 is significantly higher than the others because it has the best performance in all criteria. The contribution of this study is on the implementation of ISM method to identify key criteria for supply selection and integrates with ANP method to get the best supplier focusing on key criteria. The key criteria are identified to help decision maker to focus on criteria that has a more significant influence on the supply selection. ASM model depicts interconnection between supply selection criteria in hierarchy structure, thus giving the order of importance of the criteria. Criteria in the lower level can affect the criteria above them, thus the effect of performance change can be estimated. For example, price fluctuation can affect the customer desire to establish a long-term relationship with the supplier. Focusing on key criteria can simplify the supply selection process. Previously, the company considers the desire for business and claim and warranties policy criteria. But from this study, these 2 criteria are eliminated because they do not give significant impact on supply selection decision. The supply selection process can be simplified by omitting these 2 criteria. From this study, 19 criteria are identified with criteria availability, has the most influence on the overall ISM model, and has the highest weight from ANP, thus making it the most criteria critical criterion. This is caused by the ever-changing construction project schedule. A construction project needs a higher availability of materials in the supplier, and because one supplier may not be able to provide the materials in all urgent orders, therefore, it is suggested that the company can consider having spare supplier. A pairwise comparison questionnaire for ANP is considered varying by the expert filling the questionnaire because a large number of assessments has to be done. Thus, an error in filling the questionnaire could occur. TOPSIS can be used to reduce the pairwise comparison assessment to just interconnection between the criteria. Thank you very much for your attention.